Okay, sir.
Welcoming my dear class 10 students in maths class and e-learning of Sunrise Academy. Today, I'm very happy that I am going to discuss some questions with you by using the clay model, 3D clay model, to explain some interesting question of exercise 30.1 on the topic surface area and volume. So we are going to discuss some very interesting questions on the topic surface area and volume, exercise 30.1 NCERT by clay model, the 3D clay model. It's a class 10 maths class. Okay. Now see, you have given, I am going to explain question number 4 of exercise 13.1. A cubical block of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. Now here, I make a cubical block. You can see from the clay. This is the cubical block. A cube है ना बच्चों? A cube दिख रहा है ना? And what is the side of this one? 7 centimeter in length, 7 centimeter in breadth, and 7 centimeter in height. So a cubical block is given of side 7 centimeter is surmounted. Is surmounted by a hemisphere. So I make a here model of clay of hemisphere. ये hemisphere दिख रहा है बच्चों? This is a hemisphere. This is a circular base and this is the lateral. It is surmounted by. Now this is the figure of your question. This cube of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is asked? What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere that can have, and find the surface area of the soil? Okay. Now try to understand the questions. What is the greatest, what is the largest diameter of the hemisphere? Because this hemisphere is touching the four sides of the hemisphere. Means the diameter of the hemisphere is equal to what? Very good. Side of the cube. Side of the cube. The first thing we have decided that question number 4, that diameter of hemisphere is equal to side of the cube. Side of the cube. That is equal to 7 centimeter. इसको मान लो A मान लेते हैं. तो first we generate a फार्मूला, एक फार्मूला हम जनरेट करेंगे. अब हमको इसका निकालना है बच्चों, क्या निकालना है? सरफेस एरिया. नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. हियर इज योर क्वेश्चन, the clay model of the question, that a cube is surmounted by a hemisphere, and we have discussed and finalized that the diameter of the cube is equal to side of the cube, that is 7 centimeter. To find out the surface area, what about the surface area of the 5 surfaces of the cube? They are as it is. जो 5 surfaces of the cube क्या है? उसमें कोई परिवर्तन हुआ है? नहीं हुआ है. The required surface area is equal to that lateral one surface area into 5. अब डिस्कस करना है इस पर, ये वाले पर, जिसके ऊपर क्या हमारा बच्चों? hemisphere is surmounted on it. Now suppose I try to draw the figure. This is the one surface of the cube, and here is the circular base of the hemisphere. This is the circular base of the hemisphere. Circular base of the hemisphere. So this portion of that side on which the hemisphere is mounted is untouched. वो हेमिस्फीयर के सर्कुलर बेस के द्वारा हमारा टच नहीं हो रहा है. देखिए ये कोना में नहीं टच हो रहा है बच्चों, दिख रहा है कोना में तो नहीं टच हो रहा है. तो हाउ विल यू फाइंड दिस एरिया, द शेडेड एरिया, एरिया ऑफ द square, not cube, area of the square minus area of the circle या circular base, area of the circle. तो required area क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? Required surface area is equal to 5 into area of square. Why 5 into area of square? Because each surface in the shape of square. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one is the 5. 5 into area of square plus area of lateral surface area of hemisphere. ये हमको निकालना है ना बच्चों, lateral surface of area of surface because it is mounted on it, उसके ऊपर है. क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? LSA of hemisphere plus this area shaded region क्या हो जाएगा? Area of square minus area of circle. So this is the required area of this question. In which question? That is a cube of side 7 cm is surmounted by a hemisphere. So the 5 faces of that cube is untouched. So the required area is equal to 5 into area of a square to present the 5 surfaces of that cube plus the lateral surface area of the hemisphere because and what about the 4 corners? 4 corners is equal to area of square minus area of circle. Means this circle is trapped by the circular base of the hemisphere. Now, then you write here that is equal to 5 a square. We assume that side is equal to a. बना हमने lateral surface area of hemisphere is equal to pi r. So 2 pi r square. Area of square is equal to a square and area of circle is equal to minus pi r square. So 2 pi r square minus pi r square and 5a square plus a square that is equal to 6a square minus pi r square. And here a is equal to 7 centimeter and r is equal to
minus pi r square
plus 2 pi r square.
Wait a minute. 5a square, this question we are asking.
Yes, sir. So what 2 pi r square plus or minus pi r square plus pi r square.
Sorry, it is plus pi r square. You are correct here. Now, a is equal to 7 centimeter. What is the radius? 7 upon 2 centimeter. Now that is equal to 6 into 7 square plus 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 centimeter square. Now you are able to solve this question. कर लोगे इसको? Okay. Now see that after that question number 5 is similar to this question. मैं तुरंत question number 5 आपको explain करना चाहूँगा बच्चों. देखो यहाँ. A hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cube of wooden blocks such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. It is clearly mentioned. अब देखिए, इसमें क्या कर रहा है बच्चों? You have given a cube. अब इस क्यूब से क्या कर रहा है वो? इसमें से क्या कर रहा है? एक हेमिस्फेरिकल डिप्रेशन. उसमें ऊपर था, इसमें से क्या किया गया? हेमिस्फीयर को काटकर निकाल दिया गया. सेम चीज हुआ. अब यहां से मान लीजिए हम एक हेमिस्फीयर आई एम गोइंग टू कट ए हेमिस्फेरिकल डिप्रेशन. अब देखिए बच्चों, ये क्वेश्चन वही बन गया हमारा, दैट फोर कॉर्नर्स ऑफ दैट. Now here, this is the question number 5. You have given a cube. From this cube, a hemispherical depression is cut out. What is the total surface area? And here you have given that the side of the cube L is equal to the diameter of the hemisphere. So in this condition, this is the question number 5, in which you have given a hemisphere. From hemisphere, this hemispherical depression is cut out. ये hemispherical depression क्या किया गया है, इसमें से निकाल दिया गया. तो हमको क्या निकालना है, इसका टोटल सरफेस एरिया निकालना है. Again, the 5 faces of that cubes are untouched. So that is equal to 5a, 5 area of square plus lateral surface area of the hemisphere, which has been cut out. हालांकि उस शेप में है ना जी, but the four corners of that surface on which the hemispherical depression is cut are untouched. ये तो नहीं, इसको तो टच नहीं किया circular base, so that is equal to area of square minus area of circle. So in this condition, what do you write? Question number 5. Required area क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? Required area, डायरेक्ट हम इस फार्मूला पर आएंगे, 6a square plus 5r square. Here a is equal to L and r is equal to L upon 2. Why? Because here in this question what is given? What is given? That the side of the cube L is equal to the diameter of the hemisphere. So directly we will apply this formula, that is equal to 6L square plus 5 into L upon 2 whole square. हो गया इसका आंसर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Understood? Now I am going to explain one more question from 3D model. This is the question number 8. देखिए, you want to note it down. इसको नोट करना चाहेंगे बच्चों? हाँ? From this space, I will explain in the next video. God bless you.